MRR is the sexiest thing a business can have for a number of reasons. One, you don't have, yay, loads of money, or nothing, woohoo, loads of money, absolutely bugger all, right? What you have when you have monthly recurring revenue from a subscription-based offer is a much more consistent income. Ooh, and now you've got consistent income. You're not going feast and famine. You're not going panic, yay, let's go and buy champagne, holy shit. Right, we're actually creating more sustainable business income, which means we can now start to hire people. We can now start getting help. We can maybe now start running ads because we know that roughly we're going to have about this much more money next month too, if we keep our subscribers coming through. Amazing. Monthly recurring revenue also dramatically increases the sellability and the valuation of your business. And all of you should be thinking about, how might I sell my business one day? Because in valuations with businesses, generally speaking, your business is worth 3 times its revenue. That's a very rough workout, right, of how businesses are generally valued in Australia. As soon as you have monthly recurring revenue, your multiplier for the value of your business can go up to 15 times your revenue. What? So let's just think about commercialization, my friends. The membership model is really fun for a number of reasons, because not only can it begin with nothing, i.e. literally a Q&A call with you once a month is your membership. This is exactly how my Legends Lab membership started 10 years ago. It was just a Q&A call with me for a month for a quarter of the price of a one-on-one call with me. And loads of people joined because it was cheaper than a one-on-one and they were all happy to just be in a group. Then people started asking me questions, and I started getting repeating questions in those Q&As. Every week, people were asking me the same things. So I thought, okay, now you guys are asking me about email marketing. I will actually make sure next month, I'm just going to do an actual tutorial workshop for you on email marketing, because that's what you guys keep asking me about. So the members in the group, and albeit when I started, there was like 3 of them, right? They were asking me questions that guided what I was going to continue to evolve the membership to become. So the next month I delivered a workshop on email marketing because that's what these 3 guys asked for. So I recorded it on Zoom with them there live, and I put the recording in the membership portal. So now it had a thing in it, and the recordings of the previous Q&A calls. And so it continued. Next month, they all started asking me about social media marketing. So what did I do? Put on a little workshop on how I did social media marketing and how I grow my business with social media. And I recorded it with now the 5 people that are in my membership. And then I put the recording in the portal. So now all the new people that were joining were seeing these recordings in there, as well as the Q&A with me.